Hey, it's Frank Keeney. I'm here in beautiful Lake Arrowhead. This is in Southern California. It's about, the elevation here is probably about 5,500 feet or so, and no snow yet. So what I want to talk about today is targeting your Facebook ads. Often when I look over campaigns for people that are struggling with their ads or they're new to Facebook ads, they may have this beautiful ad, good ad copy, a good landing page, a really great product, and then I look at the targeting is just not there. I think the instinct when you're in the platform, and this is what I see, is that many will spend a lot of time creating that ad, and they get everything set up on the platform, and they find the targeting on the fly, like inside of the ad set. They look for something that will match their product. So we need to kind of step back and examine exactly what needs to happen to get the right targeting. So first thing is your understanding of the target audience and the product that you're selling. So where I usually start off is kind of like a really kind of baseline way of researching. So I've got a product I'm going to sell to a niche, and so what I'm going to do is find out who the competitors are for the similar product, or where the customer would shop, and then magazines and blogs. So 3 basic categories: brands, stores, and blogs, magazines. And then I'll go research, for the product I'm selling, where would complementary products be sold and where would people buy those. So this is a really powerful way of doing it. This is a general rule. Not all products follow this, but this is a really good starting point. Almost just about anything, there is competitors and stores and places that have complementary products to the one you're selling, so you've got a good match for that product. And I hope this helps those that are struggling to get their ads working. This was when I started doing Facebook ads in 2011, 2012. This is one of the breakthroughs for myself, and I just thought I would share that with those that are struggling. And in fact, I'll say this also: it's very rare that I ever do a narrow, where you exclude an audience and narrow that down. What I find, especially when starting things off, is to have the right interest. I like to start off narrow, and then as I scale, I go broad, lookalike audiences, lots of retargeting, video view retargeting, and so forth. So anyone, if you've got a struggle with something, let me know down in the chat. What would you like for me to talk about on my next video? Is it picking products, sourcing products, scaling ads, making videos? What is it? So let me know what you would like to hear.